First question is, who has been awarded the DRDO Defense Research and Development Organization's Scientist of the Year Award? Yes, Somnath, B. Kunhikrishnan, Som Dayal Dev, Hemant Kumar Pandey. Answer is Hemant Kumar Pandey. Next, second question. Arya Rajendran has taken charge as India's youngest mayor from which corporation ward of Kerala? A. Thiruvananthapuram, B. Thrissur, Kollam, Kannur. So, it is from Thiruvananthapuram corporation. Third question. Who has been awarded a knighthood in the UK New Year's Fonds list? Option A. Lewis Hamilton, Daniel Craig, Sean Connery, Andrew Murray. So answer is Lewis Hamilton. Option A. Next, fourth question. The Union government has declared which state as a disturbed area for 6 more months? Option A. Manipur, B. Mizoram, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Nagaland. So it is D. Nagaland. Answer is Nagaland. Next. India's first hot air balloon safari in a tiger reserve has been launched in which state? A. Gujarat, B. Assam, C. Uttarakhand, D. Madhya Pradesh. So we know that it is from Madhya Pradesh. Next, sixth question. India's first lithium refinery will be set up in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Telangana, D. Rajasthan. Answer is Gujarat. Option B. Gujarat. Next, seventh question. Seventh question is, which nation plans to have the first nuclear reactor on the moon by 2026? A. Russia, B. China, C. US, and D. Iran. It is US, United States. C. Next one. Which states officials won Digital India Award 2020? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Bihar, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. Answer is it is Bihar. Option B. Place has been announced as Tamil Nadu's 38th district. A. Tirupattur, B. Mayiladuthurai, C. Ranipet, D. Kallakurichi. Answer is B. Mayiladuthurai. Next question. 10th one. Who won the Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade? A. Steve Smith, B. A.V.D. Villiers, Kane Williamson, and Virat Kohli. Answer is Virat Kohli. Next. Who won the ICC Spirit of Cricket Award of the Decade? A. Kane Williamson, Brendan McCullum, MS Dhoni, Mahela Jayawardene. So answer is MS Dhoni. Option C. Next question. Who has been named the captain of ICC Men's T20I and ODI teams of the decade? A. MS Dhoni, B. Virat Kohli, Kane Williamson, Steve Smith. Answer is MS Dhoni. Next question. To promote which product? APEDA has been supporting private entities in creating necessary infrastructure. A. Bira 91, B. Moringa Products, C. Alensoli, D. Amul. Answer is B. Moringa Products. Next. Which bank has been collaborating with Salesforce to build next generation tech platform for retail banking? A. HDFC Bank, B. SBI Bank, C. Yes Bank, D. Punjab National Bank. So it is answer is C. Yes Bank. Next, 15th one. At which place of the South Delhi Municipal Corporation opened its toy bank? A. Najafgarh, B. Jajokri, C. Kalkaji, D. Asola. Answer is A. Najafgarh. Next, 16th one. By which rocket Indian satellite is to carry names of common people in space? A. GSLV C-50 Geosynchronous Launch Vehicle, PSLV C-50 Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV C-51 GSLV C-51. Answer is C. PSLV C-51. And 17th one. Which country has inducted Indian submarine INS Sindhuvir into its navy? A. Myanmar, B. Malaysia, C. Singapore, D. Sri Lanka. It is Myanmar. The central government has removed the ban on which product exports from 1st January 2021? A. Sugar, B. Onion, C. Tomato, D. Oil. Answer is B. Onion. Which insurance company has partnered with Jammu and Kashmir government for the PMJY Sehat, PM Joy Sehat? A. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, B. Bharati AXA Life Insurance, C. Fino Life Insurance, D. Life Insurance Corporation. So answer is A. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. 28th one. Archaeologists excavate fast food centers at which place? A. Layan, B. Surat, C. Kolkata, D. Pompeii. Answer is D. Pompeii. Next question. Who has partnered with IIT Delhi to set up Design and Innovation Lab for rural entrepreneurs? A. Digital Innovation Lab, C. Common Services Center, D. Collaboration Center, D. The Home Depot Innovation Center. Answer is B. Common Services Center. 22. With which country the IAF announced first major war game involving Rafale fighter jets to take part in exercise Skyros? A. UK, B. Germany, C. France, D. Italy. Answer is C. France. Next, 23. Which bank has partnered with RuPay to launch a payment solution in association with Pay Nearby? A. DBS Bank, B. SBI Bank, C. HDFC Bank, D. RBL Bank. Answer is it is D. RBL Bank. Next question. The Brahmaputra Amantran Abhiyan is to held in which two states? A. Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh, B. Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, C. Assam and Meghalaya, D. Meghalaya and Mizoram. Answer is B. Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Which state has announced the inclusion of the history of Sikh Guru in the school curriculum? A. Punjab, B. Delhi, C. Goa, D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Which committee has been conferred with the Platinum Award for Excellence in Digital Governance? A. SCE Committee, Abhijit Sen Committee, Ajit Kumar Committee, Basel Committee. Answer is A. SCE Committee. 27. Which state has unveiled its solar power policy? 2021. A. Maharashtra, Bihar, Gujarat, Kerala. Answer is 27. Answer is C. Gujarat. In which state first rice ATM has to be set up? Options: Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Sikkim, D. Karnataka. So answer is D. Karnataka. Next question. In which state the Thowal multi-purpose project was established? A. Rajasthan, B. Bihar, C. Delhi, D. Manipur. Answer is D. Manipur. Next 38th question. BSSU, UKM and NKJ Biofuel partnered to set up India's first ethanol plant under PPP model in which state? A. Bihar, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Kerala, D. Manipur. So 30th one, it is B. Chhattisgarh.